We are here with the man of the match for the game today, Dunbeholden versus Faulklands. Dunbeholden winning by 4-2. Introduce yourself to the fans and tell them a little bit about the game today.
Odane Samuels, Dunbeholden player. I think this is a game that we needed and we came out today, so I think that I have to deliver, and that's what I did.
Yeah, I mean, your team the last game here, you didn't score any goals, you came back today. You scored 4 today, but you still conceded 2. What are the things you need to work on defensively to kind of stop some of that from happening?
Actually, it's something that we're really working on to get clean sheets day in, day out. But you know, it's football. Goals going to score. We're going to have our days when we get clean sheets, but unfortunately, we didn't get any today.
Yeah, man. You're also one of the top stars coming out of schoolboy football. You're half the senior back. How does it feel to be back and playing some good football? And what are the plans for you personally?
Most of the time when I was out, you know, it's injuries, so I have to stay fit, stay home and get stronger. Now I'm back, I'm just trying to do my best.
Yeah, man. All the best, Odane, and it's good to see you back playing.
Yeah, man, thank you.
Alright, in terms of Dunbeholden coming off a 2-game losing streak, what was the plan coming into this game?
This game is a must-win game, and that's what we come and did today. Nothing but win. Unfortunately, we needed a clean sheet, but we just couldn't get it.
Yeah, you just explained that, but the coach is harboring thoughts about top 6. Is that the whole mood of the team in terms of finishing top 6 and even vying for the championship?
I think we're trying to be same way in the top 2. So if anywhere in the top 6, we'll just take it from there.
Alright, all the best and good game.
Alright, thank you.